try. If you need advice, let me simplify.
I know we are all quarantined right now. Times are hard, and the stay at home, I've been at home. My job, I've been out for 3 weeks, and I won't be going back to work until May. So it's kind of getting to me, but I want to give some positive love your way. Take this time to just think about yourself. Think about your family, your loved ones. Pay attention to the people who are around you. Pay attention to the things that are important. I like this because we're able to recharge our minds and start over and see what really is important to us. Looking good for the next person is not that important, but having food and having toilet paper and having soap and detergent and cleaning supplies, that's what's really important during this time. So I kind of like this quarantine. I don't like the virus that's infecting so many people and hurting so many families and killing so many people around the world, but I do like that it is bringing us back to the center location of it all, which is serving and loving Christ and loving our family and loving the people around us and caring about what is most important, not so much the materialistic things, because we can't get to them right now anyway. So, like I said, during this time, love up on your loved ones. Make sure you're staying close to God. Read your word. Do prayer time with your friends. Do prayer time by yourself. But just remain true to what is important. And, yeah. That's all I gotta say. So, as you can see from the description down below, this is just a quick tutorial on how I achieve these twists. So, I finished these twists yesterday. I've never done these ever in my life. I was on YouTube and I saw some girl put in Marleytwist in her hair. So I said, why don't I just try them? So yeah, let's just give you the deets. So I'm gonna have a video clip over there of little clips throughout the time of me putting my braids in. So if you can see, let me see if I can scoot up. These are my braids. This is what they look like. This is the back view. Hopefully you're able to see. They're not perfect, but I'm not going outside the house, so it doesn't matter. So to get started, the hair that I used was equal Cuban twist hair, double strand style. This is 16 inches. And as you can see, it comes fairly long. It's not that long, but it's doable. So this is the hair I used. I used a 1B. I thought, you know, I've done box braids before, and I've used around 6 packs. For this hairstyle, I only used 2.5 packs of hair. So when you get the hair, when you first take it out, I'm not about to take this out, but it comes in like individuals. If you ever seen this type of hair, it comes individually. I use one little strand to achieve one twist. I don't know if I should have used more. Some of them I believe I should have used more, but I just used one little strand. I opened up each strand like this just to fluff it out a little bit and to achieve my twist. I did use the rubber band method. So I found this from another YouTuber. She used the rubber band method. I've never heard of that before. But basically, again, I'll have a video.
GT on the beat.
Purchase your track today.
separated my hair, I went through and I put African's Best Herbal Oil all around my hair because I just needed to make sure that it was moisturized prior to. And I also used Cantu Shea Butter Daily Oil Moisturizer to give my hair some extra sheen, and so that it was protected underneath this style. Again, I used the rubber band method, and I have a video, and I don't know how to slick edges down, but I did my best. As you can see, they're not, just ignore that one. But this one is a little slicky slick. But I used the first Edge Tamer Touchdown. Never ever heard of this in my life. I'll link everything down below. I got this from my local beauty supply store, so you can use any kind of edge control. This one just smells so good. You can use any kind of edge control that you have at your house to achieve this look. So, like I said, it's not perfect by any means. There's some that you can see my rubber band, like there you can see my rubber band, but girl, just all you gotta do is twist it and boom, rubber band go. So they're not perfect by any means, but they're good for my quarantine. So I can put them up, I can wear them down. I'm more than likely gonna keep these in for the entire month, hopefully, because I will be working out. So I just needed something that was doable for me to be exercising because I didn't want to do my hair every day. And I'm also on conference calls at work, and I can't answer my conference call with a bonnet on. So I just was like, you know what, let's just give the people what they want. So I put these in. Again, they're really, really cute. I have a sensitive scalp, so I will say when I first took out the Cuban hair, I had to spray it with water and oil and I had to like rub it in a little bit. I don't know what it does, but my scalp is not itching yet. This is only day 1, so who knows what's to come. So yeah, this is how I achieved this look. If you need any more details, I know this was a really, really quick video. If you need any more details, just leave me a comment down below and I will answer all of your questions. And again, this is my hair. This is the length. And yeah, so I love these twists. I hope you guys enjoy this quick video on how to achieve Marleytwist at home. Again, I'm not a professional, so don't come slamming in my comments, okay? Okay. But until next time, I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, turn your notifications on so you receive a notification every time I drop a video. And until next time, peace out. Bye.